Hello everyone, welcome back to my garden. Don't propagate rose cuttings again until you've watched this entire video. A simple trick can help your rose cuttings develop masses of healthy white roots in a short time. This secret is used by many experienced gardeners, but very few are willing to share it. Stay with me and see the amazing transformation that is about to happen. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our natural gardening tips. This solution helps clean the cut surface and reduces the risk of fungal and bacterial infection. Garlic contains natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, helping keep the rooting environment cleaner. Tomatoes contain vitamins, minerals, and natural organic compounds that help create a nutrient-rich soaking solution for the cuttings. Add about 50 milliliters of water and stir well. Then soak the base of the rose cutting in the solution for about 15 minutes. Sand provides excellent drainage and good airflow around the base, helping prevent waterlogging. plastic bag acts like a mini greenhouse, maintaining stable warmth and humidity. We can now see tiny water droplets forming on the inside of the plastic bag. This happens because moisture evaporates and then condenses inside the bag. You can see fresh green shoots beginning to emerge. This is a clear sign that the cutting is still healthy and actively growing. More and more delicate white roots are emerging, stretching out like fine threads embracing new life. Cocoa core retains moisture well, provides excellent aeration, and creates an ideal environment for the roots to continue growing strong. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future gardening tips. Wishing you a beautiful garden filled with healthy plants and blooming flowers.